We are now on the activity, I think, 5, or the week of October 10th. I'm going to be doing each of these problems, working out through them, and I will be also posting the answers. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or visit me in my office hours. So starting with, and these don't really have numbers, so we're just going to start with this first problem. They want you to notice that it's a perfect square. So this can also be 11 squared, x squared, minus 9 squared, which they want you to get to that form of 11x minus 9 times 11x, 11x plus 9. Same as the next one, is also wanting you to see that there are perfect squares. We have 11 squared and x squared minus 5 squared, which is the differences of perfect squares again, which is 11x minus 5 and 11x plus 5. And another difference of squares, we see that 121 is 11 squared. However, this y to the 6 is a little tricky one. They want you to see that it's also squared. So y to the 3rd squared is y to the 6th, because when you put a power to its own power, is you multiply them, so 3 times 2 is 6. So that's how we get to there. Put that subtraction in the middle, and you get 11 minus y to the 3rd times 11 plus y to the 3rd. Alright, another perfect square they want you to see. For this one, it's 3 squared. It is 3 squared, x to the 3rd squared, and y squared, also squared, minus, this brings, still the same, 1 squared. So then you should be getting 3x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, minus 1 times 3x to the 3rd, y squared plus 1. Now, so those are the perfect difference of perfect squares. For these next ones, they want you to factor them completely again. So with that, you want to multiply this 1 by negative 50, which you get a negative 50 over, to add to 5, and you should, when you work those out, you get negative 5 and 10. And with that, you should be able to write this problem as x squared minus 5x plus 10x minus 50. And this is when you do that grouping, and you bring an x out on the first one, which is x minus 5 plus 10x minus 5, which brings you to x plus 10 times x minus 5. Alright, we're going to finish this video with this last factoring on this one. Again, the one here, 1 times 36, 36, and 12, which when you work that out, you should get 6 and 6. And with that, we'd get x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 36. Again, grouping occurs where you bring out an x plus 6, plus bring out the 6 on that second one, x plus 6, which gets you x plus 6 times x plus 6, or you can also write this as x plus 6 squared.